Just cleaning up the tail.
When I shot this on my phone, Pauly had 3 chicks in the nest he was feeding, and he was working very hard. This was a really good find for him. He couldn't grab both the tail and the body of the skink at the same time, so he ended up leaving the body behind. This happened on the grass in front of the veg patch, which you can see here. And Pauly could see the veg patch really well from his nest. It's back here. I wanted to know what it was Pauly had caught, so I went and had a look, and it's definitely a 5-clawed worm skink. It wasn't too long before he came back looking for the rest of it, and looked a bit put out. I was standing right beside it, so I tossed it to him and he took it back to the nest.